It's Shane once again at Lucy's Lounge in the Tower District, and we're learning how to make cocktails with 105.1 The Blaze. Ernie is one of the bartenders over at Lucy's, and he came up with this gorgeous, that's not a slice of pizza, that is watermelon with chili stuff on it. But I don't know exactly what's in it, but it's delicious. And Sara Premavera is going to teach you how to make the Oaxacan Summer right now.
Welcome back to Lucy's. It's me, Sara Premavera. We're here with The Blaze, and we're doing another one of our delicious cocktails. This cocktail is called a Oaxacan Summer, and it will be featured on our next menu. It was made by one of our bartenders here, Ernie, and we're going to start with a little tapatio and a tahini rim. Just a little light, because it's spicy. You don't need a lot. And some fresh watermelon. So I like to chunk it when I'm making cocktails, and probably just like 3 good-sized chunks will be enough. And then we're gonna muddle this just a little bit to help break it down and get the juices out, so we really get that watermelon flavor into our cocktail. We're gonna do an ounce of fresh lemon juice, and it's very important that your juice is fresh. And by fresh, I don't mean pasteurized juice. I mean squeeze the juice out of the lemon. That's the best way to do it. We're gonna do an ounce of Demerara sugar. Now this is just a really good, rich sugar syrup that we make. You can also use simple syrup or even granulated sugar if you like. And then we're gonna do an ounce and a half of this Union Mezcal. And we're gonna do an ounce of pomegranate liqueur. I really like Poma. Ernie came up with this drink about a week ago, and we've been testing it on everybody, and it seems to be very well liked around here. So just give it a good shake. And then when straining cocktails that have a lot of fruit in them, I like to use a double strainer, because this way you're just getting the juice and you're not getting all of the pulp from the watermelon. So we're just going to strain that. Sometimes you got to get a spoon, just kind of help it through. Here we go. And for those of us living in Fresno, we know that it gets incredibly hot here, so I thought a refreshing little touch on this would be to serve it with a whole slice of watermelon. We just stick the straw through it just like that. And sprinkle the top with a little bit of tahini. And there you have it. This is our Oaxacan Summer made with Union Mezcal. And again, if you don't have the stuff, come here. We'll make it for you. Cheers.